Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is advertisement writing. It pertains to writing skills of your question paper of English. What is advertisement writing? Actually, the word advertisement means a public notice or an announcement made for offering services, buying or selling property, household goods, vehicles, etc. These advertisements are also used to give information about missing persons and pets, goods, and so on. Advertisement is an important tool for promotion of sale and services. Household goods, etc. The written draft of an advertisement is called a copy. Copy is written draft of an advertisement. Now, general characteristics of an advertisement. An advertisement is paid. It is paid by the person who wants to advertise something, and it is non-personal. Means it is target audience is all who are interesting to buy or sell, and so it is non-personal public communication. Non-personal public communication. Public communication means it pertains to whole public, not any special person. And why it is non-personal public communication? It is non-personal public communication about cases, goods, services, organizations, people, places, etc. An advertisement is usually brief. It is word limited. It is meaningful, catchy, and attractive. These are the general characteristics of an ad or advertisement. Now, means of advertising. Advertisements are made through radio, television, print media like newspapers, magazines, and journals. They are also made through internet and direct email, etc. Now, types of ads or advertisements. Broadly speaking, advertisements are of two types. Number one is classified ads, and number second is commercial ads. Classified ads Today in this lecture, we will discuss classified ads or classified advertisements. What are classified ads? Classified ads are advertisements which are grouped or classified as they are divided into classes or columns or categories in the newspapers and magazines according to their subject matter and function they perform. These classified ads are short, they are brief, and they are to the point because the advertiser, that means a person who advertises, advertiser is charged by the newspaper owners or the magazine owners per word or per line or per centimeter etc. and by electronic media, mass media, we say radio and TV, they are charged per minute or per second. That's why these classified ads are short, brief, word limited, and to the point. These classified ads occupy very less space due to their shortness, precise, and word nature. Now, the main types of classified ads. The classified ads are of so many types. We will discuss them in detail in further videos. And today in this video, I will tell you about the different types of classified ads. Number one is situation vacant. When it pertains some job or some property or something else, situation vacant. Number second type of classified, it is sale and service, sale and purchases. Somebody wants to sell his vehicle and somebody wants to purchase some house or extra. It is this type of classified ad. And number third is to let, means if somebody wants to give his house or his property on rent, extra, that is to let. And number four is missing. It is missing about persons and pets. And number fourth type is lost and found. Fifth classified ad is tours and travelers. And sixth type of classified ad is matrimonial alliances. Seventh type is obituary, and eighth is appeal, ninth is educational, and tenth is change of name and address. So far as the marking scheme of this question pertaining or on advertisement is concerned, it contains 5 markers in your question paper. 5 markers. One title is 1 mark. Content of the advertisement carries 2 marks, and Third is expression. That is how you express the advertisement, how you explore the advertisement expression. It is grammatical accuracy, spelling, and suitable style, etc. That means presentation. It contains 2 markers. In total, this question on advertisement carries 5 markers in your question paper. Thank you. Stay blessed. In next video, we will discuss these types of classified ads in detail. Inshallah. Stay blessed.